Found some pretty good looking seats here. Gonna see if we can't take these.
Feels much better? That's good. Not as many Cherokees here this year. But we got lucky with this one. Yeah. Driver's seat is out. How's it going?
Great. It's a little hot out.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, all these seats are in pretty good condition. So you're gonna replace all of them.
This is pretty nice. Need a new ashtray.
Yeah, maybe this one's better. There goes that one.
Alright, 2 nice seats.
Look at that.
We're out here at the salvage again. We got some seats, some visors, a couple of other little bits and pieces. What does Abs think?
Pretty good. And we have visors, and check it out. The visors have mirrors.
Oh man. Alright, tell us about the wheelbarrows, Abs.
They're so fun and cute. We found them at the top, and so now we're transporting these things back with them. Alright, onward. Come on, Slowpoke.
Originally I was just looking for a driver's seat because this one is broken. But we found a good set of seats here, so yeah, that would be nice.
You ready to change some seats out?
Yep.
Going from these to these.
The main junk off. Oh, is this battery dead? Battery's dead.
Oh.
5 minutes later.
here's the old seat. Here's the new one. Not a ton of difference. This one's not broke though. Alright, that's the last of the seats. Alright, we got the seats out. They're around here somewhere. About to put the new ones in.
We really need to do the carpets at some point. It's kind of gross.
Alright. Don't over tighten them.
Guess I'll just keep going. Oh wow, this is like a different size. Why did they make him different sizes?
You just do.
I think I need that 15.
Alright, Apps is tightening down the seats. She's also stuck on some movie, The Sound of Music. She's trying to get me to watch it. I'm holding out though.
It's like a Christmas movie.
It's also August.
It's true.
Still have the back seat left.
We've got new visors in here. So much nicer.
This is my favorite part so far.
Pretty nice. Seat's no longer wobbly. Looks all clean. It's a breath of fresh air. Here we are at the dumpster. We're under the octopus right now. He did it! Oh man. And he's still going. Oh man.
Too tired now. Your turn.
What do you think?
It's App's turn. See if she can one up it.
There's a kid somewhere there who said, "Cool trick."